So this is me working as a drone pilot, filming a racing event in Thailand using the drone in the picture here. And the result is like this. I have to be behind the object, and when I want to slow down, the object get out of the frame. Here is another example following motocross. In the corner ahead, I cannot slow down fast enough. So I have to overshoot the leader and then turn around and get this shot. In this shot, I want to focus on the blue motorcycle. He jumps high, but in order to shoot him during jump, I have to overshoot him and turn around here. And now I want to get the side shot of the same rider while he's jumping in the air. And you see I can only get a fraction of a second of the side shot, and then I have to circle around him. And here I want to follow the red motorcycle here on a straight line with 2 jumps, but on the straight line without the jumping, I have lost him out of the frame in order to get more dynamic shot of him during the jump. So I built another drone that can accelerate and decelerate without changing the pitch attitude too much. I put a pushing propeller in the back like this. So the result is pretty good here in a fast chicane like 150-120 kilometers per hour approaching 180 left turn. Here I can slow down, keep him in the frame as much as possible all the way in the turn. But when it comes to getting the side shot of the vehicle, here are the best results I can get from 2 days of shooting, and it lasts only a few seconds and only in the turn. It works great, but in the corner, mostly I can only get the shot from behind the vehicle or from the outside of the turn like this. It's almost impossible to get the shot from inside of the turn without having the object being out of the frame. So far, my FPV drone provides a unique style of video, but like other filming tools, it can only provide a specific type of footage. It cannot provide angle like this, this, or this, or this, or even this. There are some drones that can do most of those shots, but too slow. Some can reach 170 km per hour with the gimbal on the upper side, but deceleration rate is low if not possible due to the flight characteristic. They will overshoot the racing vehicles in the turn. None of the multi-copters can slow down without pitching or even go backward without pitching. So I want my drone to be fast, have a good braking, able to get the side shot as long as I want, get the shot from the inside of the turn without losing the vehicle from field of view. Thus, I start designing a new frame, new drone from scratch, and then after many modifications and after many tests, finally the footage is good at any speed. Now the drone will increase speed to the maximum without tilting at all. The camera gimbal can pan to the left or right, up or down at speed above 190 km per hour, no problem. And then slow down without pitching backward. But wait, this shot up to 196 km per hour looks like, right? While this backward shot looks like, don't you think? And the normal FPV shot. That is also similar to this, or even some weird angle. I've made a drone that can do various styles of filming, plus it should be able to do it continuously. So the result should be a dynamic long-take drone video. However, my next task is to find something to film at, something fast with a change of speed. So until then, see you next video. I cannot wait.